Writing Unit 7, Lesson 10. I can use my developing work, balancing actions and dialogue as I type my draft out of my notebook. The first thing you're going to do is sign into Schoology and go to the ELA course. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to find Unit 7, Memoirs, Personal Narratives, where we've been living. Then you're going to open your timeline and your draft. So today you've already opened your timeline and draft from Schoology. You're going to also get out your writer's notebook and you're going to open it to that conflict page that you wrote about a few days ago. And you're going to continue writing your draft, all the while referring back to your timeline and conflict page. Your timeline tells you the place and what happened, what feelings you felt, what dialogue was said. If you finish early, you may begin your second draft, if you haven't already, or read quietly. You are not distracting your classmates who are working hard. So here is Mrs. Koval's timeline. She has her location, she has what happens, the action. She also has put the emotions that were felt in red, and then she color-coded the dialogue in green. Here was my conflicts that I had when I thought back to the story. I had a lot more than I thought of. And so I started writing my draft based on my timeline and those conflicts. I haven't finished yet, but I have a good start. So make sure you're using your timeline, your conflicts, and you're including everything we've worked on so far. I want a good report.